Well, I'm on my way to Tulsa, Oklahoma to help this homeowner with her painting project. And looking around, I really like the architecture of this city. And most of Tulsa was designed using this Art Deco style. Art Deco has geometrical shape, sharp lines, bold colors, and it's really nice, beautiful town. Homeowner's house is just outside the city, but it's also nice to come to town and visit different architecture styles.
Hi, Mauro.
Hi, Danny.
Welcome to Tulsa.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Well, it's a beautiful town. I love the architecture around here.
Oh yeah, so like the downtown center is like the majority Art Deco, 1930s style, and then like you move further from downtown and you like kind of see the evolution of Tulsa. That's like my favorite part of it, all the different architecture.
That's great. So what are we doing with this beautiful door here?
Yeah, so I moved to Tulsa a year ago. We bought this house. It's like a 1960s kind of mid-century element. This door is, I believe, original. It has like beautiful detailing,
Look at
but
this.
it's a bit weather worn, so I'm kind of looking to paint it with a pop of color and
I
make
like
it
that.
pop against the brick.
Yes, the house, this nice color on the brick and this color that we're gonna do for this door is just gonna pop this whole door out.
I'm excited.
All right. So when I work on old doors like this, I've done a lot of it. One thing I don't like to do is take them off the hinges.
Okay.
Because it's so hard to take them off the hinges and then put it back. So this is what we're gonna do. We have some prep work to do, fill up some nail holes. Now, so there's some cracks here that we have to take care of. Then we're gonna lightly sand and make this house pop.
Awesome.
All right.
Sounds easy enough.
Let's get it done?
Yep, let's go.
Okay, cool. Well, Danny, for every painting project, you start with a good preparation.
Okay.
Okay, drop cloths down. Because we're keeping all the hardware, we're gonna protect them with tape, but I also like to protect this big piece of glass
Right.
here. What I like for you to do, got this tape, go right against the trim
Okay.
and press it down, okay?
Okay.
We'll take care of that first,
Okay.
and then we'll protect the glass. See, when you do things like this is one of the most important things before you start any painting project, protection.
What about this like caulking right here? Should I tape over it or?
When you see the glass, the tape goes only into the glass surface.
Okay.
Now, we're gonna cut a bunch of small pieces, all right?
Okay.
Just like that. And then we go like this. You put one there.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I can do that.
That looks good, Danny.
Thank you.
How many doors have you painted before?
0. Is this your first door?
Couple, I've done a few. But every door is different. Every single door is different. All right, tape is around the frame. Now we're gonna protect the whole piece of glass. Over here.
Okay.
That'll look good. You bring it all the way down here. And we're just gonna go like this. So.
Great.
All right. Well, what we're gonna do, we're gonna use to fill the cracks and the nail holes is a 2-part wood filler.
Okay.
It has the resin and it has the hardener. We'll
Okay.
mix those two together, dries really fast and sets really dry.
Awesome.
All right. Let's go on an angle like this and 2 fingers right there, press right in there,
Okay.
okay? And remove all the excess, just like that.
Will we just need to do this once or do we need to apply multiple coats?
For the small ones, I think the one is good.
Okay.
You wanna try this one here?
Yeah.
Start right there. Yeah. Just try the pressure to go right in there. Right? That's nice. All right. Now it's time to do this big guy here.
Yeah,
See how big this batch is?
I do.
All right. Let's mix it up really well.
just go like this. All right, fill in.
Okay.
We might have to do more than one pass.
Okay.
All we have to do for now is let this whole thing dry for about 30 minutes.
Okay.
I'm gonna let this in.
Awesome.
All right, now, since it's done, we try to get this profile as best as we can.
Okay.
Okay, might not look perfect, but it will blend in.
Okay.
All right? So, all right, a little more detail here.
Okay.
I think we'll get it all right. What do you
Yeah.
think?
It looks amazing. You can't even tell there was a piece missing.
Right?
Yeah.
Good. Now we're gonna use tack cloth.
Okay.
Let's get all this dust off the door.
Okay.
All right? I'm gonna start at the top. Yep, just like that. Let's get this bottom one more time. All right, nice and clean. Now it's time to prime. We're gonna use a next year grade oil-based primer.
Okay.
All right?
So why is it important to tint the primer?
Well, I always like to tint the primer when I get like what we call the dip base colors. That is the foundation for us to a good coverage. To me, if I don't prime when I have darker colors, it requires like more coats of paint.
Okay.
I usually like the color that I tint the primer.
No. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
I don't like this color, just FYI.
Oh, that's good to know. Yeah, but that happens sometimes. And another factor is this door has never been painted before. So almost you get this darker stain, it's almost down to the bare wood.
Yeah.
We need an extra protection for that.
Got it.
Okay, this is the color we picked up.
It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
It calls SX green.
Okay.
Okay, and we're gonna use this exterior grade paint, and we're gonna apply the same way as we did with the primer, with a little bit different this time.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna roll, and then I'm gonna back brush.
Okay. What's back brushing?
Back brushing means every time when you do something like say you spray something, and then you want to put some brush marks, you back brush.
Okay, so it's all about like adding some texture back in.
Exactly.
Okay.
This is what you want for this old door. I think if we add a little bit of a character to it, it will be with the back brush.
Okay, great.
All right. So look how thick that
Much
is.
thicker than
Nice.
the primer.
All right, should be good in there. Okay, Daniel, let's go to work. Okay, first coat is dry, and we're ready for the second and final coat. But this time we're gonna do a little differently. We wanna do the rails first, top rail, bottom rail, and then we do the middle.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It looks beautiful.
Oh, let's reveal this door. Wow,
I love it. Wow.
look at this dark green.
It's beautiful. I like how it brings out the details of the trim of the door now.
Absolutely, with the little sheen on that door and the color, I think you couldn't have a better color to go with what you have in the front of the house. Those pink brick and this light gray trim. Amazing. Everything fits so nice
Yeah.
and clean, looks beautiful.
It just pops. I can't believe what a coat of paint does. Thank you so much. I had so much fun painting the door today, and thanks for coming to Oklahoma. I hope you come back soon.
You're welcome. If you have any question about your house, I would love to hear about it. Just keep them coming. Until next time, I'm Mauro Henrique for Ask This Old House.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.